So in this sort, we're looking at unaccented final syllables still, looking at these sounds chur, zhur, and yur. Now, when we're looking at them, we're looking, these little slashes here, like that's how it's pronounced. So sure is usually spelled C-H-E-R at the end of the word. And chur is, again, spelled T-U-R-E. So these are the same ones, chur and chur. They should be, they're just spelled differently. So you kind of have two different columns with different pronunciations that are very much similar. This zhur sound is spelled S-U-R-E, and it makes a zhur sound versus chur. And this yur kind of sounds a lot like zhur, and it's spelled U-R-E. So it's mainly important that you look at kind of the spellings here and sort them by that, and noticing that they all should make a very similar sound at the end, but there are some subtle differences in some words that you can maybe argue they could go in a different column based on their sound alone. So, like catcher, catcher, chur, could go here. Picture, 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 chur, goes there. Measure, measure, goes there. Figure, figure, right there under the URE column. So that'd be where those words go. You can try and sort this on your own, but it's a pretty challenging one. So I'm just going to go ahead and down to the sort and kind of go over how it works and explain it to you, and make sure you just copy down the sort. So we have down here, we have the C-H-U-R word spelled C-H-E-R, catcher, rancher, teacher, pitcher. And then you also have picture. Picture and picture, I usually pronounce very similar to the same, but they're slightly different. Pitcher and picture. Again, chur, nature, capture, future, mixture, creature, pasture, posture, torture, culture, injure. I would say injure is one that I don't quite pronounce that should fit there. I pronounce it injure more like I do danger, which is an oddball. Danger and injure sound similar to me, but again, the sounds aren't super important, and also injure is not a T-U-R-E, so I would almost argue that maybe we should take this one here and move it and stick it over here in the oddballs with the danger, because that soft G sound, that J, is what I'm thinking. All right, let's keep going on with these ones. Zhur, measure, pressure. This one almost sounds like it would be sure, and that's why it's labeled here. It might be sure, pressure, pleasure, leisure, treasure. Zhur. These are the year ones. Figure, failure, and I don't want to say that senior fits there sound-wise. Senior, S-E-N-I-O-R, but it's spelled S-E-N-I-O-R. So the spelling doesn't fit these. So again, these are sorted primarily by spelling. I would move injure over here personally. Focusing on the spelling, note that sounds, it's very subtle between zhur and chur. So just, tricky sort here, but sort them by like their unaccented syllable, whether it's S-U-R-E, T-U-R-E, C-H-E-R, U-R-E, and then we have these two odd ones over here that don't necessarily fit the pattern. And I'd add injure in with that too, because it's not T-U-R-E, it's a J.